disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa has warned his ZANU PF party members to remember to be disciplined as indiscipline leads to unnecessary internal squabbles. Our highly placed sources within ZANU PF say there are members in the party backed by the Zimbabwe military that want Vice President RTD General Constantino Chiwenga to stand in the forthcoming fresh elections in Zimbabwe on June 30th. VP RTD General Constantino Chiwenga is the man the army has had in mind for a long time now to succeed the President Emmerson Mnangagwa. In ZANU PF we are democratic. We talk openly. We want the president to make way for VP Chiwenga in the elections coming. The army is behind this move, our sources within ZANU PF say. We do have it on good authority that ZANU PF are not comfortable with Mnangagwa standing again. But this is a divided opinion. Some feel Mnangagwa should be allowed to stand to finish his term. But some feel that could be giving the opposition victory on a silver platter, as Mnangagwa has proved in the last election, which is now in dispute that he is a weak candidate. Tell us what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.